Okay, we're going to talk about product tags. A tag is basically a way to classify a product or a group of products based on certain criteria so that you can find it and apply certain settings to those groups of products. So for example, we're going to start from our inventory page here, and this just pulls up all active products. That's the default setting. And then what I've done is I've gone to my filters and I've pre-selected, just for time saving purposes, I've pre-selected 2 additional filters. And then I've added in adjusted velocity is less than 5 units per day, but also adjusted velocity is greater than 0. So basically any product that's selling between 1 and 5 units a day. So I'm just using this as an example. So let's say we apply those filters, and you'll see the 3 filters are applied. So now what we can do is we can click this button and select all of those products that meet those 3 filters, go to bulk actions and assign a tag. And I'm going to call this one marketing. So normally you'd have to type that in there, but I already pre-selected it. So now all of these products are tagged marketing, meaning I need to invest some marketing action onto these products. That's what it means to me. You could do this with any type of filters. There's a whole bunch of filters that you can do. I mean, you can look through here and create all kinds of filters. I won't bore you with all the different options, but you get the idea. So once you've set your filters and you've saved your tag, you can always undo a tag if you go into the product itself. And then you scroll down to tags here, and you can just remove that tag. You can also do it by going to settings and going to bulk export import, and you'll see all the tags on the products there. You can also access your tags here. Okay, so how do you use a tag? Let's use the example of a forecast. When you click this area here in any product, it opens up the settings feature for your forecast section. And these are all the different settings that you can save for this product or multiple products. So as an example, let's say we wanted to add an additional sales growth down here. So that basically means it's going to take whatever your current adjusted velocity is, and then we want to boost that because we want to add some additional sales. So I plan on doing some marketing this year, and I want to boost this product by 10% because of the marketing that we're going to be doing. So I can apply it to this product only. And then of course I have a lot of other, options. I can apply it to all products, all filtered products if I had pre-filtered this selection up here, or any product with this tag. So I'm going to click this one and I'm going to choose the marketing tag. There it is. Now if I save this, it's going to apply that 10% additional sales growth in my forecast for all those products that I just created the marketing tag for. Boom, it's done. So there's a million different ways that you can use tags, but that's just one example, and this is going to make your inventory planning and forecasting a lot better.